So there is a piezoresistive sensor, and the change in resistance is change in R, and the change in pressure is change in P is given by this equation, and the value of R0 is 500 and P0 is 1000, and a current 2 microampere is passed through this sensor, piezoelectrical sensor. So a voltage drop appeared using the analog to digital converter is 0 to 1 volt. If the pressure change in P is 1 milliampere is to be measured among the given options. The minimum number of bits needed to ADC, analog to digital converter. We need to find out the minimum number of bits. So first of all, we have an equation. Change in R is equal to minus R0 log of 10 change in P divided by P0. R0 is equal to 500 ohm and P0 all are given. In the analog to digital converter, the voltage is 0 to 1 volt. And we need to find out the number of bits. So change in R, we substitute R0 as minus of 500 into log of 10. Change in P is given as, what is the change in P? 1 millibar. 1 millibar divided by P0 is equal to 1000 millibar. So cancel out both of the millibar, and this goes to the top. It will be 10 raised to minus 3. And according to log 10 a raised to b into log a, such a the rule is applied. So it will be minus 3 will be moved towards here. So minus 500 into minus 3 will be 1500 into log 10 will be 1, and the change in V is equal to 1 into change in R, and the current is given as 2 microampere. So 2 microampere into the change in resistance is 1500. Substituting the value, we will get 3 millivolt. And we need to find out the least resolution per bit. So it's given by the equation 1 divided by 2 raised to n less than or equal to the change in voltage. We obtain it as this, and we need to find out the number of bits, the minimum number of bits. So 2 raised to n is equal to greater than or equal to 1 divided by this quantity, and this will be 333.33. So 2 raised to 8 will be 256, 2 raised to 9 will be 512, and it should be greater than this value. So 2 raised to 9 is the correct answer, but we does not have the option n as 9. So the number of minimum bits here is 10. So option D will be the correct answer.